Morning, day 42 of day trading pre-market. We have KLPT making some moves today. Got my scanners pulled up. They dropped this news early, so let's see what happens when retail comes on in about 20 seconds. But I'm going to be looking for fresh news. There's the retail open. See if it go. Yep, there's through 40. There's 50. Ooh, back to 39. All right. Little whippy back. Okay, 60. Here you go. Here you go. Moving around. Got up to 67. Hitting scans, hitting scans. I would love for something fresh to show up. Minute 30 in, nothing new. Decent bounce near view up there. It is Friday after all, I guess. We'll see. I don't want to have a negative mindset on it. I feel like, we're only 2 minutes in. Something could still pop up. Still hitting scans. Nothing yet. Zoom out high. Oh, it got 9 to 90. High is 980. Gross wick here. Fake breakout over 950 here. Is BTTC still in play? Oh, brutal. 7:30 my time. Okay, BYSI. Let's get this bread. BYSI. Damn it. Just missed it by 1 minute in that bounce. Announces aging subset results in the presentation. Not great. Not great news, but we'll see what happens, I guess. Oh, I just got a super high fill there. Outrageous. I cut it because that first one was way higher than it needed to be. I was trying to hit it down here. Ended up getting it up there, so scratch that trade. Big red candle doesn't look so great. Big volume there. All right, look for like 212 here on this dump. Go. Light volume on this green candle. Small buyers, 70. Not really noteworthy. Go. 80. Nope. No left through 80. WHLR. It's just struggling to take off. 276 is where it's at. Go. 87, 94. Man, those are quick rejections, though. Let's see this thing break 3, and let's see if it flies. Fly, pelican, fly. What happens if we break 3? And double top at 327 and then 344. At least it's hovering above VWAP for now. There's 90 again, 93, 94. Slapped off a 94. 94 again, 96, there's 3. Slapped off a 3, 3 again. Slapped off a 3. Good volume on these candles, but it hasn't beat that big red candle yet. 20 more seconds. There's 3. Oh, there's 301. Oh, 293. Gross. With the wick. Uh-oh. Stay green. Stay green candle. Oh. Wild work here. Okay, well, I wasn't ready to get through 3. Doesn't look like. "12 minutes in. Qs are down 3 points. For anybody that has other investments other than day trading. Buyer, small buyer, 65. I was hoping to see lower there. I was hoping to see 58, 59. Maybe I got a little greedy. I only saw 60 on the bid, but looks, yeah, 60. Looks like you got the 61. But it's all right. What are some of these other ones doing? I wonder why BYSI. How many shares outstanding does this even have? BYSI. 41 million. Okay. All right. Maybe that's why it's moving a little slow. Secures expand placement 1 billion following strong investors. All right, private placement news. I don't know if this is hot like it was, but private placement news. Bitcoin Treasury was kind of hot the other day, so we'll see. Nice. All right, JZXN. Do something. BYSI can't catch a break, dude. Thing just getting slapped around. Go. Oh. Whoa. Bid and ask was showing 718, and then all of a sudden they went to 680. That is a wicked loss for some people that took that breakout of 7. Creeping back to 7, or showing over 7 again. 716. That's a big spread. 715. Bids are still at 7. Bids went all the way down to 690. $683. $730. I don't feel real comfortable trading stocks that happen like that, where they the bid and ask both just kind of get wiped out. I gotta catch a real good entry on it. I feel like if I'm gonna trade it. See if it holds 50 there. There's 50 on the bid. A lot of volume coming through. There's 48, 47, 44, 42, 35, 34. Back to 40. Oh, and then right to 57, and then 87, and then back to 53. See, that's too much. That's too volatile. That's too volatile on the same candle for me. I need that to settle down. I need that spread to settle down. QH. Come on. No, garbage. BYSI on the light volume. Not sure how I feel about this. Zoom out, get a better idea of volume there. Volume ticking up decently well on that candle. To 1 new minute. Oh, I didn't even see that. It was a possible bear trap underneath that VWAP. I didn't even see that. That is my bad. That would have been a solid trade. Shame, shame. Shame, shame, no your name. BEAT, low volume. Oh, maybe not for long. Get those candles. No news. BEAT, it's, is this going to be one of those movers that, with the no news movers? It's got 34 million shares outstanding. Volume is still incredibly slow. Possible news drops in 3 seconds. Oh, there's that break of 40. Needs way more volume though. Volume shy of 1 million. Still. Go. Crack 50. Crack 50. BEAT. Small buyers are at 49. There's 50 on the bid. 49. Small buyers showing up at 50 now. Oh, look, huge seller 61. Here we go, it's starting to buzz. It's got over 1 million shares traded now. Hold 50. Yeah, that's 61. Those sellers, a lot of them got eaten quickly, but not quick enough. That was kind of fun to watch. minute. See if we hold 50. Where did I get filled at? I got filled at 54. Kind of high. Too high for me. Too high for me. Let's look for a better entry. That was a waste of buying power right there, but hey, it's all right. See if these sellers come back at 60. I think it was 61 actually. Back to 53. Small buyers 56. $59. Ooh, 57. Back to 57. 54. $60. There's a seller window. There's a seller wall at 61 again. Ooh, if we could get in on that right before that break. It's a 200,000 share seller at 261. Is it enough to scare off the masses? $1.6 million shares traded now. Reduce exposure, half off. Looking for that, looking for the seller wall, looking for the seller wall. I'm in early. There's a seller wall. No love through the seller wall. $59. Come on. Nice move for JZXN there. Man, that would have been a treat to be in at 55 and it ripped through that 61. That would have been a treat. Why 61? Why? I wonder why they chose 61. The thing was blasting before it got slapped off that 61 the first time. It was like a car driving up and just hitting a wall. And then having to reverse. JZXN trying some funny business over here. BEAT, are you done? Are you done? What are your fives looking like? Your fives look strong. We have a lot of focus that has shifted to JZXN. BEAT never really gained too much focus since it didn't have news. And it's only up 18%, but it's got, I mean, it kind of fits the narrative of what has popped this week, so it'll be interesting to see what happens at BEAT the rest of the day today. JZXN, there's a break of that daily level. Let's see what happens as it approaches 10. $50-day moving average at about 11, 1097. And there's a break at 10, 1040. No, BEAT on the VWAP bounce right when it looked like it was gonna be done. Does it have what it takes to get through 61? 57? 58? Oh, look at that candle, JZXI. I gotta go. I have to go. MSOX up 62%. What's MSOX? Garbage. I was looking for that EMA, didn't get close. Nice bounce off a 10 though. 10 to 1020. Oh man, I have to leave. I gotta go. I mean, I want to see if it gets through 61. I want to see if the seller wall breaks and it gets through with some conviction. But I gotta go. So, let me know how y'all did today. Let me know in the comments if this ever breaks 261 or if it just fails out. But I'm out of here. Spread love, be good to each other. I'm up $57.12 today. So green week. Adios. Peace.